First up, let's blow it out with the vacuum. After researching the fittings, I'm finding out that I needed these style of fittings. They're not included with what I was given. They're included with the kit if you bought it, but I also had a second one of these that someone was throwing away that didn't work, but it had all these, so. For the test run, we're going to put it on this ladder. It comes with a handle, so we'll just put it up on there. I know it might be venting heat. I don't know how much heat comes out of there, but this is just for the test. I don't have D-cell batteries, so we're going to rig this up to work with a 18650. I've rigged up a pump, 12 volt pump, to go to a 12 volt socket that I'm going to plug into a battery. And we also have our 3 volt battery installed in there. And let's see, we got inflow, outflow going into the box. We're going to get a couple buckets and put some water in there and test it out. Bucket of water. We're going to use a rock to hold the hose to the bottom. We need to get out a propane tank and a battery to get that connection going there. The plan here is to connect that into the outlet, get the pump flowing, and at about the same time turn on this gas and start messing with this, and hopefully water is going to flow through here, come through here, this will light, and warm water will start to come out into this bucket here. Low water pumping. In. Okay. Is it warm? I don't know. Look, we can get more water flow. That's good. Or less water flow by turning them on here. That's interesting. I have no idea what's going on here. So we are pumping water out of here into this bucket. Interesting. Is it heating? Can't tell if it's lit. Obviously, we're dealing with a lot of grime on there. Might have to. Okay, we were able to get the correct hose. It was at the other house. We're going to open this valve. Wow. Is there any gas leaking? We're going to plug this in. Pump's running. Spark. Ooh, we got burner. It's turning. Now we should be getting water flowing here. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to see right there. Okay. And then let's try changing it to a maximum medium flow. Picks up more water. Water's flowing here. And everything is burning, so it's got to be increasing temperature. I'm going to touch the water. Oh yeah, that's very warm. So let's go maximum water flow. That's going to put the maximum amount of water, which should cool the water. Oh yeah. Very warm. Which it is like 100 degrees out here too, but that is awesome. So, yeah, it don't look good. It's been beat up, it's been sitting in a shed for a long time, but we got it to work. Hopefully next time it's out at one of our campsites being used.
You're ruining my video.